on the show, we're diving into some serious inspiration for a home makeover with Freedom Windows.
Freedom Windows is all about top-notch service and quality, never any high-pressure sales tactics. Stay tuned to see how they are transforming homes one window at a time. The last couple of times we've been to your house, we've been to your actual warehouse. It's nice to come out and actually see one of the projects that you're doing. Is there anything unique about this one?
We are in a really neat country club, so there was a lot of dealings with the HOA, making sure that we get exactly what's allowed to be back in here. But one of the big issues the guys are having, it is a stucco house, it was built 20 some years ago, is getting these old windows out. So there's a lot of time and care going into that to make sure that they're done really well and removed easily so that we don't disturb the house.
Well, let's go back to when they contacted you, actually sold them on the Freedom Windows.
Sure.
What did you have to do with them to get ready to come out and actually do this job today?
The homeowners shopped around. I think they got 2, 3, 4 estimates like we teach and tell them to do, because that's the way we shop. And ultimately, they chose us. We're local to this area. So we have a lot of fun with it. I think the idea with them was getting the right color to match the HOA, to match exactly what they wanted for the house.
You mentioned, people getting 3 and 4 estimates before they talk to you.
Sure.
One of the things we've seen a lot in this industry is a lot of high pressure sales, right?
Yeah, I mean, that's kind of the MO in this business and a lot of businesses, where the salesperson will come up and they'll have the price marked up to a certain thing. And then if you buy it today, and they get the manager on the phone and they do the dog and pony show. And honestly, that's frustrating for a lot of customers. In fact, we won't even give you a price the first time we come out unless you force us to, if you will.
Sounds like a great way to shop. Well, give us some contact information.
Yeah, so you can reach out to us at 798-1133. That's a 614. That's our office number. Visit us online at thefreedomwindow.com.